Do you dream of taking your paint production business to the next level in 2025? What if I told you there is a way to turn that dream into reality with just a few simple steps? Keep watching because I'm about to share something that could completely transform your life and your business. Hello, my amazing student and subscriber. Happy New Year. I hope 2025 bring you and your family great health, success, and prosperity. May this year be the one where your business thrives beyond your imagination and your personal goals are fully realized. This video is dedicated to you. Whether you're just starting your paint production journey or looking to scale your business, I have got something special that will make your 2025 your best year. Stay tuned to the end because I have a limited time discount price offer on a course that has helped billions of paint manufacturers grow their business and achieve their dream. This offer will only last for a week, so don't miss it. To move further, we must first look back, take a moment to reflect on 2024. Ask yourself, what were my biggest win in my paint production business? Two, where did I struggle? And the third, what did I learn from both of this process? For me, 2024 was a year of growth and learning. I remember the challenge I faced in scaling my paint technique skills. I doubted myself and felt stuck at times. But when I decided to focus on building a clear strategy and following proven steps, everything changed for me. So now, take a moment and write down one achievement you have you are proud from 2024 and one area where you want to grow in 2025. Reflection isn't about focusing on failures. It is about learning and improving. And now you have to define what success looks like for 2025. Yes, it is very important. You have to imagine this by the end of 2025, your paint production business is booming. You have mastered the act of creating high quality paint. Your products are in a high demand and you are earning more than you have ever thought possible. Does this sound like you or just a dream? It doesn't have to be. Success doesn't happen by accident. It's built on a three pillars. Yes, success is built on a three pillars. The first one is a clear vision of what you want. The second one is a proven plan to achieve it. And the third one is consistencies, action every day, repeatedly consistency action every day. So if you can dream it and you are willing to take the right step, it is 100% achievable. And my course is designed to guide you through this step by step. So now let's look at the blueprint to achieving this success. Let's talk about the 5 key steps to building your dream paint production business in 2025. One, set a clear goal. Yes. Start with smart goals, especially measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. Example of this is by instead of saying I want to sell more paint, say I want to sell 6,000 liters of paint per month by the end of March. That is how to set a clear goal for your business. Second, master time management. Yes, time is your most valuable resources. Use productive tools or simple to-do lists to prioritize tasks that are easy to achieve. Even myself, I'm still working on mastering my time management because I overget one out by educating my students and of course interacting with them one-on-one and they keep coming to me for guidance and of course I have to attend to all of my students. Imagine attending to more than 200 students in a day. You understand? So you have to master time management in your business. It's very, very important. Even if you're not getting more customers, time will come where you'll be getting more customers. So you have to learn how to master your time management. And my course teaches you how to break big goals into small daily tasks that are easy to achieve. And the third one is learn new skills. Yes, very, very important. Whether it's advanced paint formulation or marketing or customer retention, every skills you learn pursues your goals and it pushes your business forward. And the fourth is build confidence. Yes, confidence comes from preparation and consistency. Start small, celebrate every win, and watch your memento grow. A lot of paint manufacturers lack confidence. That is why you see at times they keep asking themselves, why are other people excelling in this paint production business, and I am just stuck where I am, is because they don't have this confidence. And when I'm talking about building confidence, I'm not talking about just telling yourself affirmation words. No, there are things that you need to do. Yeah, there are things that you need to do and carry it out, and you see your confidence increasing. You understand? So the fifth is get expert guidance. Yes, don't waste your time reinventing the wheel. No, and I see a lot of people do that. You understand? You have to follow a proven system that has worked for billions of students and of course people out there just like myself. You understand? You have to learn from the expert. You understand? You have to make sure that you don't make mistakes. You understand? So this blueprint isn't just theory. It is the exact system that helped me and many other paint manufacturer out there succeed. If you're ready to start, comment I need this offer below and I'll send you the link to get my step-by-step course, the 2025 latest release, brand new technique and formulation, and how to produce over 60 types of paint. Yes, you heard me. Advanced paint production and how to produce over 60 types of paint. Now, here's the part you have been waiting for. For the next 1 week only, I am offering my 2025 latest new method technique in paint production courses for an affordable discount price for those willing to upgrade their paint production skills or learn paint production process. This course has not been released to my students. Yes. Or none of my previous students or even my new students have gotten this 2025 latest new technique in paint production business because I've been working on it. It is only the 2 Vlogger Mass Challenge winners that is going to receive this course for free. Yes. So if you are my student or my subscriber, now is the time for you to upgrade your paint production skills and to do away with your old method in paint production business. That is why I'm giving it out on a discount price so my students can also partake in this process. You understand? Normally, this course is priced much higher, but I'm offering it at a discount price because I want 2025 to be the year you take your business to the next level. This course includes one, step-by-step instruction for advanced new method paint production technique, over 60 types of paint plus new paint invented. Two, marketing and sales strategy to grow your business the right way as a paint manufacturer or paint seller or painter. Yes, if you don't know, the world, we have things coming out every day. We have a new technology. We have new trading. You understand? So the marketing of pushing other businesses is different than paint production. So they have new techniques when it comes to marketing. When you hear marketing, marketing has a lot it takes. You understand? So for this 2025, there's a new marketing invented for paint manufacturers. Be it a painter or you're a paint manufacturer or you're a paint seller. You know, most paint manufacturers, at times, they just manufacture the paint and they give it to retailers to sell in the shop. And most paint sellers are not paint manufacturers. So even if you're a paint seller or you're a painter or you're a paint manufacturer, this marketing strategy for 2025 is going to help you skyrocket your business. And then the third one is time management. Yes, you're going to learn tools to stay focused and productive as a paint manufacturer or a painter or a paint seller. You understand? And fourth is define your paint vision for success. Yes, a lot of paint manufacturers don't even know what their vision is all about. And that is why you see them, they don't achieve their height. So you have to know your vision. Be it even if you've not started your paint manufacturing business, you have to know what this your vision is all about. And you have to, of course, build a roadmap to achieve it. And then the sixth is stay motivated and constant in the paint industry. Yes, you can imagine so many of us, we get worn out because we don't get contract as a paint manufacturer. Because, you know, at times you can get contract this year, before you get contract could be the next 2-3 years. No. If you know what you're doing, you understand, and you know how to stay motivated and constant in the paint industry, you are meant to be getting contract. Be it 2 months time, 3 months time, monthly, you understand. So, and then the seventh is learn the secret in cutting costs during production and how to make huge profit. Yes, a lot of paint manufacturer are finding it difficult on how to reduce the cost of production and make profit. You find them making mistakes when they reduce their production costs. This is not market formulation. Yes, I taught my students the market formulation process. I'm not talking about the market formulation process. The market formulation process is a different ball game, whereas that you are a paint manufacturer and you want to be distributing your paint to the market. You know that you're going to face a lot of challenges because you don't know how it's being done. You understand? So this is another invention. You understand? Learning the secret of cutting costs during your production and making profit. There are two things involved. You understand? And then the eighth is build a strong paint brand. A lot of people, they think a paint brand is all about having a social media account or having a name for yourself. No, there are things that you need to build. Like my students, I've taught them in the previous courses on how to build strong paint brand, but now I'm going to reveal another process on how you're going to build more advanced method in building your paint brand. You understand? And then the ninth is how to connect with your customers. A lot of people don't know where to get their customers. They are paint manufacturers, but they don't know where to get their customers. Once this the ones they have exhausted, they are out of business. So you have to learn how to connect with your customers so you can grow. You understand? And then the 10th one is areas of focus that brings huge capital. Yes, there are areas that you need to focus as a paint manufacturer or as a paint seller or as a painter that is going to bring huge capital to you. You understand? And then the last is deep direction and explanation and clarity plus support. Yes, I'm going to be supporting you. My students are aware. I make sure I make out time to support my students. Once I'm available, they are always chatting me up and I attend to them. You understand? And of course, you're going to get access to all my old courses and ebooks to build you more. Yes, the old ebooks that I've given to my previous students, you're going to get it because that is the old method. You understand? So at times you can say you want to use the old method. I don't know, but the latest 2025 method in paint manufacturing technique is the best. You understand? So remember, this offer expires in 1 week after this video goes live. So if you're interested, comment "I need this offer" below in the comment section and I'll send you the link immediately. Don't wait. This could be the decision that could change everything for you. 2025 is full of possibility, but it all starts with one decision: to take action now. Yes, you have to take action now. Don't wait to in a couple of months. You understand? So don't let this year pass by without investing in yourself and your dream. Comment, like I said, "I need this offer" right now to grab this course and start your journey into becoming a professional paint manufacturer. So subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips, strategy, and tutorial to help you master paint production and build a thriving business. Together, let's make 2025 best for all of us. Yes, also, yes, I am beyond excited to share something fantastic. Yes, this news with you all. I have recently partnered with one of the best manufacturer in India, a country rich in innovation and expertise, to bring an expectational product in the construction industry to our community. Yes, when I'm talking about our community, I'm not talking about my country, home Nigeria only. No, I'm talking about my community, my subscribers, my students in Ghana, Kenya, Italy, Rwanda, Nairobi, Tanzania, the Philippines, UK, wherever you are, you understand, it's for all of us, you understand. So this collaboration is a game changer. And here is why. One, unmatched quality. This product stands out as one of the best when it comes to usability and effectiveness in construction. Two, empowering our community. This partnership opens a new channel of income for you. Whether you choose to sell this product or use it in your project, the opportunities are endless. And the third is growth for everyone. This collaboration isn't just about a product. It is about creating a brighter future for all of us individually and as a community. I am truly thrilled about this growth and what it means for our community and the brand. This is a step forward for a stronger, more prosperous future for all of us. Stay tuned because in my upcoming videos, I'll be sharing more about this product, how it works, and the incredible benefits and the offers. I will also be educating and enlightening you on how to maximize its potential growth for your business and your income. Expect the big announcement any moment now and get ready to join me on this exciting journey. Thank you all for your support. It means the world to me. Together, we are building something amazing. I love you all. Thank you and bye for now.